Now, how do we draw alkanes? Step 1 or step 0 actually, you decide the style of the formula. So depending on what is asked, you decide the style, condensed or line angle. Next step or step 1 is to draw the parent chain. So choose the longest chain based on the number of carbon atoms. Again, you will see that in the name. Then you connect them with single bonds. Since alkanes are saturated, we only use single bonds. Next, step 2 is to add the substituents or the branches. You need to place the alkyl groups, okay? The methyl, propyl, ethyl, etc. Step 3 is to add hydrogen atoms if the question asks for structural formula. Remember, carbon is tetravalent, so carbon must have 4 bonds. Then, step 4 is to double check. Check if you have the correct number of carbon and hydrogen and if the structure matches the name of the compound. Let's have an example. Let's have 2-methylbutane using condensed structural formula. First step is to decide the style of the formula. It says condensed structural formula, so we use condensed, right? Step 1, draw the parent chain. It says here butane, so that's but, meaning you have 4 carbon atoms. So draw 4 carbon atoms. Then you add substituents. It says here you have 2-methyl. So there is a CH3 at carbon number 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. So at carbon number 2, you add CH3. Step 3, you add hydrogen atoms. Carbon number 1 here has 1 bond. Okay? Remember, carbon is tetravalent. It needs to have 4 bonds. So since this is already taken, you need to fill this part with hydrogen atoms. Okay? So how many hydrogen atoms did you put? 3. So here you add H3. Okay? This carbon has 1, 2, 3. So you need to have 4, so it lacks 1 hydrogen atom. This carbon has 1, 2, so you need to have 2 more bonds, so you will put 2 hydrogen atoms. And this one has 1, so you need to have 3. Step 4 is to double check. You have longest chain, 4, that's butane. Now at carbon number 2, you have 2-methyl, so you have methyl group, so it's correct. Next, draw 2,3,4-trimethyl-pentane using line angle formula. So we use a line angle formula. Again, we use lines. The corners and the ends are carbon atoms. Draw the parent chain. You have pentane. So you need to draw 5. So that will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, again, the ends and the corners are carbon atoms. Next, you add substituents or the branches. It says here you have 2,3,4-trimethyl. So meaning you have a methyl group, CH3, at carbon number 2, 3, and carbon number 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you put 1 methyl at 3, 1 methyl at 4. Okay, so that's 1 carbon, CH3, 1 carbon, CH3, 1 carbon, CH3. You add, step 3 is to add hydrogen atoms. This is not necessary because we're looking for line angle formula. And you double check. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pentane, you have 1 carbon, that's methyl, 1 at 3, 1 at 4. So this is the correct drawing. Draw 2-ethyl-5-propyl octane using condensed structural formula. So condensed structural formula, we have octane 8, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Add the substituents. You have 2-ethyl, so CH2, CH3 at carbon number 2. And you have CH2, CH2, CH3 at carbon number 5. And you have CH2, CH2, CH3 at carbon number 4. So we attach them. So we put CH2, CH3 at carbon number 2, CH2, CH2, CH3 at carbon number 4. Then you add the hydrogen atoms. So this is 1, so you put 3. This has 3, so you put 1 hydrogen. This is 1, 2, CH2, and so on and so forth. And you double check. You have 8 as octane. You have ethyl at carbon number 2, and propyl at carbon number 4. So this is the correct formula. Last, let's have draw 5-sec-butyl 4-isopropyl decane using line angle formula. So line angle formula, we draw 10. So we draw 9 lines. So that would be like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, decane. Step 2, the add substituents. So you have sec-butyl at carbon number 5 and isopropyl at carbon number 4. R means it is connected to the parent chain. Okay, so this is the structure. This is the structure. You need to attach this R to whatever the carbon number is. Carbon number 5, so you attach this R to carbon number 5. So attach isopropyl at 4, sec-butyl at 5. Step 3, add hydrogen atoms. There's no need. So we go to step 4. You double check. So this is 10 decane. Carbon number 4, you have isopropyl. Carbon number 5, you have sec-butyl.